All right, everybody, let's take a look at our progress on our hat. So this is the rolled brim hat, and as you can see, because I'm only knitting around and around and around, what's happening is I'm getting that nice rolled brim edge on my hat. So if I kind of roll this, you can see we have a couple of inches of fabric knitted here. So if I let it go, it just kind of rolls up by itself, creating this beautiful rolled brim edge. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep knitting around and around and around until I get to the point where we're decreasing. And you can check your pattern for the exact measurements, or if you want to make your hat a little bit bigger or longer before the decrease, you can always add length to your hat. So again, you're just going to keep knitting around and around and around. Just wanted to kind of show you what your hat should be looking like at this point. If you're somebody who's interested in adding a stripe to your hat, follow me in the next video and I'm going to show you how to add a second color of yarn. Happy knitting!